Here are 16 of the best foods for gut health, known for promoting a healthy microbiome, supporting digestion, and reducing inflammation. 16 of the best foods for gut health. 1. Yogurt, with live cultures, rich in probiotics that help balance gut bacteria. Supports digestion and reduces bloating. 2. Kefir, a fermented milk drink packed with diverse probiotic strains. Can improve digestion and enhance gut flora diversity. 3. Sauerkraut, fermented cabbage high in probiotics and fiber. Supports gut health and immune function. 4. Kimchi, a spicy Korean fermented vegetable dish. Contains beneficial bacteria and vitamins that aid gut health. 5. Miso, a fermented soybean paste used in soups. High in probiotics and supports healthy digestion. 6. Tempeh. Fermented soy product rich in probiotics and plant protein. Improves gut microbiota and may reduce inflammation. 7. Pickles, fermented. Naturally fermented pickles contain gut-friendly bacteria. Great for digestion if made without vinegar. 8. Kombucha, fermented tea beverage rich in probiotics. Supports digestion and promotes gut bacterial diversity. 9. Garlic. Acts as a prebiotic, feeding good bacteria. Has antimicrobial properties that support overall gut health. 10. Onions, another excellent prebiotic food. It supports beneficial bacteria and helps reduce inflammation. 11. Asparagus, a high in inulin, a prebiotic fiber. It helps beneficial bacteria thrive. 12. Bananas, especially slightly green, contain prebiotics that fuel healthy gut bacteria. They also help regulate bowel movements. 13. Oats, are rich in beta-glucan and resistant starch, which act as prebiotics. Supports a healthy gut lining and beneficial bacteria growth. 14. Chia seeds provide fiber that feeds good gut bacteria. Support regularity and reduce inflammation. 15. Almonds, rich in fiber, healthy fats, and polyphenol that promote gut health. May increase beneficial gut bacteria. 16. Bone broth contains gelatin and amino acids like glutamine that support gut lining integrity. Helps heal leaky gut and improves digestion. Thank you for watching.